more. The more.
Wow.
Absolutely loving this.
Going mental. Oh, look at that. Tayo, kung lang sa business day, manala na kami.
All this fireworks display as well. That's a record on its own.
The infamous Burj Khalifa Firework display seen for the first time at the beginning of 2010, and here we are in 2011 and we're seeing an even more spectacular firework display.
That's right. Happy New Look, I want to wish you Happy New Year as well. Be the first one to wish you a Happy New Year.
And I would like to wish you a Happy New Year, Marwan, and it was beautiful presenting this New Year's Eve show right here at the Burj Khalifa with you. I couldn't have thought of a better person to do it with.
Thank you. Also, of course, a Happy New Year to all our viewers who are watching from home and the rest of the world. Wow.
How many minutes? Wow. So expensive. Happy New Year. Lipat yung TV doon sa Dubai Live.
Hello, palipod.
Oh, ay, ano ka lang? Lumabas sa isa mo? Yun na lang mo. Dali. Ano ba? Kaya Happy New Year. Okay. Ano din yung Dubai? More than 1 million. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
It's like a movie, right? You can't believe it.
Oh!
Wow.
And to be sitting at a distance so close to the Burj Khalifa, it's just a blessing.
Hindi mo sa taking video. Finito. Happy New Year!
There's no fireworks for you. I-upload na yan sa ano?
YouTube.
YouTube. Wala. What is that? 2 million? What an incredible,
Happy New Year!
incredible location in the United
Food!
States.
Something! Oh. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Rosemary! What is your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is
To lose?
to be fast in everything I do.
Okay,
And
good.
not to procrastinate. And also to lose weight.
Okay.
Be mature.
Always to obey Mama and Tatay. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
United Arab Emirates from 2010 to 2011.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Hi!
Happy New Year.
So, Sultan, you joined us over here as we went through to
Happy New Year, everyone! 2011! Woo!